So in this question, we are given a small magnet and let us say its magnetic moment is mu. It is kept at the center of a loop whose radius is a and it has n turns. Now it is given that when the magnet is removed, the charge q flows through the coil. So there is a galvanometer attached here like this. So the current flows through the charge that flows through this coil is q. So to solve this, we need to find what is the magnetic moment. So first thing we'll do is we'll replace the magnet with a current carrying loop of radius x and current I, which has the same amount of magnetic moment. So magnetic moment for a loop will be I into pi x square, I into area. So that moment we are saying is same as that of the magnet. So initially when loop is present, flux through the bigger loop will be Mi, where M is the mutual inductance of the system. When loop is removed, the flux becomes 0. Now we know this formula, standard formula, that the charge flown through a loop is delta flux by R. So if you divide delta T both sides, you will see how this formula came about. So if you divide delta T here, this will become current. And if you divide delta T here, this will become EMF. So current is equal to EMF upon resistance. So anyway, delta flux we can now put as Mi. So we are neglecting the negative sign. So this becomes Mi by R. So R is given in the question. So we are stuck now at what is the mutual inductance. So this we calculated in previous problem also, 331, but let's do it again. So let's say current I is flowing through the outer coil. So flux through 2 due to 1 will be magnetic field passing through 2 times the area of that. So magnetic field at the center will be mu naught I by 2a times n. So there are n turns. So due to one turn, magnetic field at the center will be mu naught I by 2a, and because there are n turns, the magnetic field will be times n into area of the loop, which is pi x square, because we are assuming the radius is x. This gives phi, we can write in this form, constant multiplied by current. So this constant is the mutual inductance between the two coils. So here also the mutual inductance is same. So let's put the value of M here and we will get delta Q in the form of this form. Now here I into pi x square is mu. So I can replace this with mu and get the answer mu as Q into 2AR by mu naught n. So once again, we replaced the magnet with a current carrying loop whose magnetic moment we can write as I into pi x square. Now the change in flux we can write as Mi, and we have replaced it with a loop so that we can calculate M easily. So we have derived what is the M. We have put the M value here. So delta Q is equal to delta phi by R. We got the value of delta phi in terms of mu. So from here we've got the value of mu which we need.